Welcome to Parking Network News. These are the latest updates in the parking industry. Pango is set to become the mobile platform for access management at some of the busiest ports in Europe. Mobile Smart City will provide digital access to parking lots at the passenger terminals, manage the fast-track lanes and increase revenues by optimising access and creating a loyalty scheme. SKIDATA have completed an 8-car park installation at Sacred Heart Medical Centre in Spokane, Washington. SKIDATA installed a combination of power gates, barrier gates and smart gates across the 8 garages and deployed Sweb Validate to provide convenient online validations throughout the entire hospital with the use of a simple browser-based interface. EvoPark, a company of the Scheidt and Bachmann group, are working together with Park and MG on a citywide project to revolutionise parking in Mönchengladbach. The installation of a digital parking platform will keep drivers informed about available spaces and enable them to enter and exit car parks using a chip card. And in Luxembourg, Scheidt and Bachmann will be replacing the parking management systems in 7 public parking garages to improve the quality of inner-city parking. CityLift have installed their puzzle system into a brand new luxury condo complex in South Boston, bringing automated parking to the neighbourhood for the first time. Parking had been a big restraint on the project as there was not much space for conventional parking spaces and stackers didn't suit the target demographic, but the fully automated puzzle system was the perfect solution. Commend have introduced a solution that will transform security in the parking industry. The new ID5 is the world's first intercom terminal with emergency mode and will serve as a digital doorkeeper, signpost and conductor of concerted communication. Registrations for our 3 networking events this year are now open. Join us for more than 20 hours of networking focused on shopping centre parking, airport parking and venue parking. Visit parkingevent.com for more information about registration for operators as well as for companies wishing to exhibit. We also look forward to meeting you at this year's NPA Convention and Expo in Las Vegas from the 22nd to the 25th of October. We will be at booth 131, so make sure you stop by and see us. Visit our event tab at parking-net.com to find out more. That's it for this week's Parking Network News. Make sure to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn and Instagram to stay up to date with the latest developments in the parking industry. I'm Claire Stiles. See you next time.